Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss GK questions, important organizations for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. We recently launched CMAT crash course. It is included day-wise schedule and covering all the important topics, and it is available. The CMAT crash course price is ₹1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks, which is ₹299. Along with that, we are having the TISSNET mocks as well. That is ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. SAARC was found by how many countries in 1985? The correct answer is B, 7. So the member states are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, the Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Let's check the next question. In which of the following cities the highest number of international organizations headquarters are located? The correct answer is B, Geneva. Let's check the next question. G8 group of 8 became G7 group of 7 in 2014. Which of the following countries was removed from this group? The correct answer is C, Russia. So, G8 is Intergovernmental Political Forum, and it is from 1997 until 2014. It had formed from incorporating the country of Russia into the group of 7 or G7 and returned to its previous name after Russia was removed in 2014. Let's check the next question. Which of the following reports were published by World Economic Forum? The correct answer is D. That is, the first one is Global Risk Report, second one is World Power Language Index, third is Global Gender Gap Report, fourth one is Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report. So all the four are the reports published by the World Economic Forum. Let's check the next question. Which of the following organizations' headquarters is not in Switzerland? The correct answer is B, International Energy Agency. Let's check the next question. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development was established. The correct answer is A, 1982. The exact date is, it is established on 12th July 1982 by Act of Parliament. Let's check the next question. When was the Secretariat of the SAARC set up? The correct answer is B, 1987. It's established in Kathmandu on 16th January 1987 by Bangladeshi diplomat Abdul Hassan, who was the first Secretary General and was inaugurated by King Birendra Bir Bikram Shah of Nepal. Let's check the next question. In which year was the World Trade Organization established? The correct answer is D, 1995. The exact date is 1st January 1995. Let's check the next question. Which of the following principle is not a principal organ of the UNO? The correct answer is D. World Health Organization. Let's check the next question. The Institute of Forest Genetics and Tree Breeding is located in which state of India? The correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Let's check the next question. Ajay Diyagi is the chairman of which organization? The correct answer is C. SEBI. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is not a member of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC? The correct answer is B. Brazil. Let's check the next question. Indian Petroleum Institute is situated in which city? The correct answer is C. Dehradun. Let's check the next question. The prime purpose of WTO is to promote. The correct answer is D. Multilateral trade. Let's check the next question. Which indicators are used by the International Food Policy Research Institute to compute the Global Hunger Index report? The correct answer is D. That is all of the above. So that is undernutrition, child stunting and child mortality. All are included. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of European Central Bank located? The correct answer is A. Frankfurt. Let's check the next question. Which of the following describe correctly the group of 7 countries? That is G7. The correct answer is A. They are industrialized countries. Let's check the next question. Where is the National Chemical Laboratory situated? The correct answer is C. Pune. Let's check the next question. In which year was the United Nations Security Council founded? The correct answer is A. That is 1945. The exact date is 24th October 1945. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization situated? The correct answer is C. Vienna, Austria. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.